Are you looking for the best camping table? In this video we will show you the 3 best folding camping table. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Let's dive in. Number 1. TEMI Small Computer Desk Folding Table. 35.8-inch foldable office desk, no assembly, perfect for small spaces in bedroom, dorm, or apartment, portable mini desk or study table with compact design, brown. Brand TEMI. Shape rectangular. Desk design computer desk. Product dimensions 15.7-inch dx 35.8 wx 28.7h. Color rustic brown. Style NO power outlets. Base material metal. Top material type engineered. Finish type wood. Special feature cordless. Enjoy the convenience of a folding table that arrives fully assembled. With an integrated design of both desk surface and frame, simply open the box, unfold, and start using immediately, perfect for those who value simplicity and time. Measuring 35.8-inch LX 15.7 WX 28.7H, the small desk serves as a small computer desk, small desk for bedroom, or school desk, offering ample space for work, study, or leisure. The compact size is ideal for apartments, dorms, or home offices. Built with a one-piece frame tightly secured to the desk surface, reinforced with metal legs and high-tension springs, this foldable desk supports up to 200 pounds. The frame features arc welding at all joints, ensuring durability without any wobbling or shaking. The table legs have adjustable pads to fit uneven floors and protect carpets. Number 2. Leather Circle Nesting Tables. Coffee table set of 2 folding table, outdoor side tables, fashionable end tables set suitable for living room, bedroom, office, outdoor, and courtyard. Brand Cavill. Product dimensions 19.1-inch dx 19.1 wx 18.5h. Item weight 10.5 pounds. Frame material fiberboard. Color white/black. Versatile design, set of 2 round nesting tables with modern hairpin legs, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use as side tables, end tables, or coffee tables. Heat resistant and waterproof. The surface is made of high-quality PU leather, allowing you to place hot items like coffee directly on it without any need for additional protection. The waterproof tabletop provides long-lasting protection for your table, easily wiped clean, eliminating worries about liquid seepage or stubborn stains. Durable construction, sturdy metal hairpin legs support circular tabletops, combining stability with contemporary style. Easy installation. Can be installed without any tools, even children can install it effortlessly. Innovative folding design, featuring a unique folding design, it can be easily stored in a flat state when not in use, making it convenient to place beside the sofa or under the bed. Even in a small living room, it can instantly free up more space for activities. Number 3. Let's Camp Folding Camping Table. Portable aluminum roll-up picnic backpacking table with adjustable height, large storage and carrying bag for picnic, camping, barbecue, party, backyard, beach. Brand Let's Camp. Product dimensions 21-inch dx 33 wx 26h. Item weight 12 pounds. Frame material metal. Color black. Dimensions, oversized camping tables that fold up. Lightweight open size is 47 L x 22 W x 38 H inch, offers enough seating room for 4 to 6 people. Weight only 12.3 pounds. Convenient storage space, mesh bottom layer provide more space and hold more stuffs. The portable picnic table is perfect for toys, snacks, magazine and bags. Adjustable. This folding table can be adjusted from 26.77-inch to 37.8 in height to accommodate uneven surfaces. The bracket adopts a stable X-shaped structure to provide sufficient support. Easy to assemble. Compared with other folding tables, our camping side table can be folded totally including the tabletop. Takes only a few minutes to set up and fold. Easy to carry. Multifunctional, portable travel table is perfect for picnics, barbecue, camping, hiking, fishing, garden, yard, beach, or even around the house as a snack table or outdoor dining table. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.